Hi friends, so in this video we will talk about how we can integrate AI agents with ticketing platforms like Zendesk, Freshdesk and Zoho Desk. There are many benefits of using an AI agent with ticketing platforms as it offers 24/7 availability, scalable during peak hours, reducing overall operational cost, improved response time and enhanced user self-service. Okay, let's see it in action. Here we have created a guided flow in our Chatbot Studio for the use case if someone requests for a human agent or AI is unable to answer. When the AI is unable to answer, we are collecting the email, we are capturing the additional information about the issue that user is facing, and we are performing an AI task, and then we are creating a ticket in Zendesk. Let's see it in action. Then I'll show you how you can actually create similar kind of flow for any other ticketing platform. We have created for these three common ones. You can also create for any other. I'll share the chatbot flow in our video so that you can see it and use it for your business use case. Okay, let's try. Hello. Okay, like for normal messages, now our bot is responding. Tell me about your GPT. It is a normal inquiry. I just want to know about your GPT. Yeah, we got the response. Your GPT is designed to help businesses work more efficiently and smartly. It offers the generative AI tools to enhance your capability, allowing you to achieve your goals. So these are the basic things. Now I'm interested to talk to a human. Okay, before we pass your ticket to our support team, we require additional information. Okay, so we got it. So our now flow is executed. It is asking me for my email address. Let me put my email. Got it. Please describe issue. Let's say having some issue training my chatbot. I am getting 404 error. Okay, cool. So now what it will do, it will create a subject based on my previous messages and my chat, and then it will create a ticket, and we got a success. We got a success response. Let's see in our Zendesk portal. Okay, let me refresh. The ticket is now created. I'm having issue with my training bot. I'm getting 404 error. So our bot is executed. I bot was able to answer my knowledge based question. When I requested for a human support, it actually created a ticket for us. So that's all for this video.